go? Where do we start? You can learn to discover.
So this is our breakfast for today.
Here in the shadows, I know you're scared.
It's like the buffet.
Take my hand together.
Yeah, this is the selection.
We've got to find a way. Dare to fall, to find out what to say.
We have this one. Hotdog.
Just admit that
Sorry.
you're just
We have
afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place
going out
if
with
we
you
can
guys.
just find a
Bagong
way.
gising lang kami.
Then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
Ganda lang. Guys.
No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. 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 Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day. Deep in the shadow, I know.
So we are here in Banff, guys.
One foot in front of the other.
Yung breakfast, guys, hindi included sa ano yun. Sa binayad sa hotel, guys. Ah, 22 plus tax. Pero masarap naman siya. Okay naman. Kasi yung kain mong ito, pwede ka na hanggang lunch na eh. Busog ka na hanggang lunch. So, saan tayo nakatira, men? Saan tayo tatawid? Baka tayo maipit. Ang bibilis ng sasakyan. Ang ganda dito.
From the anger, from
Wala.
the war.
Yeah.
Let's come together, lift your spirit for
Ikot tayo doon. Ikot lang tayo. Lakad-lakad. So, ipapasyal ko kayo, guys. Morning, good morning. What time is it now? Bakit kaya guys nakalbo yan ano? Bakit naging ganyan ano? Naging bato ano? Pero may mga may mga ano naman, tanim naman. Paano nakalbo yun? Nandiyan kami guys. Tanong ko lang guys, bakit paano yung nakalbo? Oh, tingnan nyo. Ha?
Erosion.
Erosion.
Yung mga abalan.
Ah. Good morning guys. Kami sa van. Dito kami guys nag-hotel. Dito kami nag-stay for a night. Medyo mahal ng konti. How much you pay for the hotel? 400 a night guys. Sorry, one bedroom is 2 beds. So doon kami nag-breakfast. Pero yung breakfast guys, may bayad. Parang ang sarap tumira dito guys. Ang ganda ng air. Parang sarap huminga. Tapos makikita mo pa itong bundok na ito. Pero, pagising mo sa umaga, kita mo yan. Sarap mag-ikot. Gusto mo kayong ipasyal doon. Kaya mamaya na lang guys, continue na lang natin ito mamaya. Good morning!